Sometimes it takes so little. at the situation they got me facing. I can't live a normal life, I was raised by the state, so I gotta be down with the hood team. Too much television watching got me chasing dreams. I'm an educated fool with money on my mind. Got my tin in my hand and a gleam in my eye. I'm a loped out gangster, set tripping banker, and my homies is down, so don't arouse my anger. Fool, death ain't nothing but a heartbeat away. I'm living life, do or die. What can I say? I'm 23 now, but will I live to see 24? The way things is going, I don't know.
Tell me why are we so blind to see that the ones we hurt are you and me? We've been spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We've been spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise.
Power and the money, money and the power. Minute after minute, hour after hour, everybody's running, but half of them ain't looking what's going on in the kitchen. But I don't know what's cooking. They say I got to learn, but nobody's here to teach me. If they can't understand it, how can they reach me? I guess they can't, I guess they won't, I guess they front. That's why I know my life is out of luck, fool.
We've been spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We've been spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. Tell me why are we so blind to see that the ones we hurt are you and me? Tell me why are we so blind to see that the ones we hurt are you and me?
Anybody find me somebody to love? Oh, each morning I get up and tired, can barely stand on my feet.
Take a look
Take
at
a
yourself
look in the mirror and cry.
and cry.
Lord, what you do, what you do? I have spent my years of believing you. I just can't get a relief, Lord. Somebody,
Somebody.
somebody,
Somebody,
anybody find me somebody to love? I work hard.
He works hard.
Every day of my life. I work till I ache my bones. At the end
the end
of the day, I take on my
goes
home.
home.
I'm all on my own. I get down on my knees.
It's time to break.
Two tears roll down from my eyes. Lord, somebody,
Somebody.
somebody,
Somebody,
anybody find me somebody to love, yeah. Ooh, love.
he works hard.
Every day I try and try and try. Everybody wants to put me down and say I'm going crazy. I got one in my brain. I got a parasite. Nobody left to believe. Yeah. Somebody,
Somebody,
anybody find me somebody to love.
yeah, anybody find me someone to love.
I got no rhythm. I just keep losing my beat.
keep losing
I'm
and
alright.
losing.
I'm okay.
He's alright.
He's alright.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I just gotta get out of this prison cell. Someday I'm gonna be free, Lord. Someday I'm gonna be free, my Lord. Someday I will be free, my Lord. Find me somebody to love. 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 Ooh, somebody to love.
Acho que deu essa, né?
I just keep losing my beat. Alright, I'm okay. It's alright, yeah. I just gotta get out of this prison cell. Someday I'm gonna be free, Lord. Someday I'm gonna. Então vem, gente.
All right. Are you ready for a nice blues? A real low down blues. It's from the new album. It's called Blues Prisoner. It goes like this. Yeah! Somebody lock me up. Throw away the key. Somebody lock me up. Throw away the key. This life I've been living has made a prisoner of me. I see bars all around, a padlock on my door. I see bars all around me, padlock on my door. My tears keep on